Should be coming up on all the things. All right. Yep, pretty geeked up. That one is the one we're gonna see right now. That Othello, and the Glen Ross. The one we're going to is their last day they're doing that play. We're going to the 2:00 show, but the 7:00 that night is the last play that they're doing for it. So
Wow.
should be even cooler. Sometimes they do cool stuff. It's the last run. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Never seen that movie, but that will be my movie for tonight.
Oh, there you go.
What, Glengarry? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you need to check that out too, for sure.
Yeah, I'm excited. A lot of stuff going on over here. So coach comes back singing show tunes. You'll know why. It's funny. I've told you guys this story before. By the way, we should be live on all the things. My wife is the biggest introvert on the planet. She's just that way, right? She had a rough childhood and all the things, as some of you guys, right, have probably had too. So she's not big on crowds and people and around stuff. And she loves New York. I sent her to New York. She's like a different human being. She's like, oh, this is amazing. I'm like, this is the most opposite introvert place on earth, right? It's so wild. I take her to New York, man, and she's like, Uptown Girl.
It just does that to some
I
people.
think it's just that energy.
Yeah, it energizes.
I think she missed out on her calling.
Yeah, I know.
It's her thing.
It's so wild. She loves it. She's always
She's
looking for the
showgirl.
opportunity. It's just wild to me.
Yeah, there's so much going on in New York. You can be an introvert and just experience all the energy.
It's
without
true.
having to,
Yeah, it's true.
jump into it.
that I've never thought of it that way. You're right, because yeah, there's so many people that are outward that you can just be inward and enjoy all them doing their thing, right? You're right. I never thought about that.
Nobody's asking your attention.
Yeah, I've never thought
Right,
about
you
that.
can people watch like crazy and
Yep.
just be in your own little world.
Yeah, and that's what she said too. You can go over here and somebody's doing a play. You can go over here and somebody's acting on the street. You can go over here, right, and eat at a fine restaurant. Then you go over here and somebody else is doing something. There's always like
Yeah, and you
something.
don't have to engage in any of it. You
Yep.
can just be there.
Yep, that's
Right.
true. See, and that is why I surround myself with people smarter than me, because you guys let me know things that I wouldn't think of on my own. So thank you.
Jeanette, are you saying you
Appreciate
don't
that.
have to get involved in nothing?
Nothing's
Coach, if
Yeah,
you,
but you're a New Yorker, yeah.
Coach, if
Coach,
you
we gotta let
regulate-
you in on that little inside joke, because one morning, we had somebody kind of ranting on about some personal stuff.
Yeah.
And Jeanette was like, I ain't getting involved in nothing.
nothing.
Drag it out.
Yeah.
It's like a
Yeah.
joke now.
I love it.
She was trying to recruit me to help her, and I'm like, yeah, no.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Yeah.
Coach,
Yeah.
let me know if you need a recommendation for a restaurant.
Oh yeah, no, I appreciate it. My wife's got some hot spots for sure. I appreciate it though. Last time we went, so many people reached out and we did go to a couple of them and they were all magnificent. We're big foodies, right? Obviously, we couldn't do all that stuff in the younger years. So in the older years, we're like, yes, I would like to eat there. Where before they'd been like, get out of here.
Get out of here,
You get the hell out of here. You kids beat it.
I would just say avoid the subways though.
Yeah, I won't do that.
Coach, where y'all staying
I don't know. I don't know. I don't think she's booked the room. She just this morning, while we were all talking, just got the tickets. So that wasn't even she literally just got the tickets for this one.
Yeah, we stayed at the Millennium, and the Marriott Marquis we went over there to eat a couple of times. And
Okay.
we will definitely be staying there next time. That place is nice.
The Marriott Marquis.
Yes.
I'm gonna write
Yeah,
that down.
Great
It
spot.
is nice. Nice.
The Renaissance Times Square, the top of the lounge has a beautiful view of Times Square as well, Coach.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
awesome. Now, now, if you guys remember last time I was there, we got a whole balcony. Do you guys remember that? And I streamed live from the balcony.
That was awesome. Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
but you was in Wall
I
Street
remember that.
district down there.
Yep. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
supposed to be
so,
cold though, so I
yeah.
already told her don't get anything fancy like that because I am not going out on the rooftop when it's cold. I ain't doing none
Yeah.
of that.
When y'all
So
going?
March 20th and the 21st.
Oh, because it was cold as hell this past weekend.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was
I'm
super
like,
cold.
and the next time we're going is in June, so it's gonna be hot as hell.
Yeah, it's gonna be real hot.
Yep.
It was so cold when GC was there that his phone
Oh,
froze
God.
in the cab.
Yeah, I
Oh.
lost my phone, bro.
Oh, goodness.
Lost everything. Yeah,
Goodness
Tim,
gracious.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
this weekend, don't forget to turn your clocks ahead, by the way.
Oh, is that
Yeah.
this weekend?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, good to know.
Yeah, coach, I got out of the cab. My phone fell out of my pocket. My tickets was in the phone. My credit cards was in the phone.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, it was bad.
So you
but
lost it, your phone?
lost it, yeah.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh,
Yeah.
no.
So I had to go to the T-Mobile place and
Oh.
get me a $200 phone, and my daughter put in the
A
request
burner?
to get a newer phone. Yeah, exactly.
Old flip phone.
My wife was like, "I'm not talking to you. You
Is
in
that your
cash
phone?
shape."
Oh no.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
rough,
yeah.
partner. Sorry to hear that. I didn't even
Yeah,
know that.
yeah.
That's rough.
Oh, I didn't know how we was gonna get in the fight, but my daughter, she finally got a hold to Ticketmaster.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So
Yeah, that's scary stuff.
yeah.
It's funny you said that because this morning my wife was even like, you know what? I'm not going to bring my purse anywhere we go. And I'm like, yeah, you don't really need to. There's zero reason as
Right.
long as you have your ID because, obviously I pay for the stuff when we're, off of my little
Mhm.
phone and the cards in my phone. But yeah, like there's no reason to be lugging around a purse, especially these, a fancier purse and all that. I'm like, nah, we're good. We don't
Mhm.
need a target on us. You know what I mean? Like we're
Well,
good.
government cheese, tell them why that you had your card just by chance. That's
Oh,
what
yeah.
saved you.
Just luckily, something told me to take my physical card with me instead of relying on the cards that were in my wallet
Yep.
on the phone. And if we'd have been, we'd have been stuck waiting on somebody to sell us some cash or something.
Oh my. Well, I'm glad it worked out. That's scary. That's a
Yeah.
scary thing to be in, right?
Oh,
Did,
yeah.
did you
yeah.
try reaching out to the cab company?
This iPhone, once you turn it off, ain't no need to worry about that phone. So
Yep.
they must have thrown it aside the road.
Oh
I didn't
yeah.
have to pay
Yeah.
for
After
it.
10
Yeah.
tries, it'll just wipe itself.
Yeah,
Yep.
so I went on and got a new phone that came yesterday.
Oh, good deal. Well, I'm glad it all worked out. It's scary stuff, man. Traveling, that's the only problem with traveling is something like that.
Mhm.
Just like when we're going far away and we're worried about your passports. It's like there's so
Yeah.
much. There should be digital passports because holy crap. Lose your
Yeah.
physical passports when you go to Mexico or something, like
Mhm. Yeah.
right? Like that's a lot of pressure.
I
Yeah.
spent about a year and a half traveling around the globe
Yeah.
this last 2 years, and my passport was the most terrifying thing I thought I had to lose.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Most people
it
take
creates anxiety.
yeah. But most places when you go there, if you go through orientation, they'll tell you to keep your passports in the safe.
Yeah,
at
lock it in the hotel. Yep.
But make a copy of them to keep with you.
Right.
Yeah, so we
Yeah,
always
yep.
did that. So
Yep,
yeah.
I agree. But I'm always just so worried about that. That's this day and age, man, they should be able to have a digital passport. Come on. Everything
They have a
else.
credit card passport now. The last one that I had redone, you can opt to have a passport card.
Oh, that's cool.
So I got a passport card now,
Yep, very cool.
along with the book,
Yeah. But anyways, all right, listen.
Elon will give us a chip we can just swipe on our wrist.
Well, that's
Yeah,
why
we'll
I'm so
give
in
you,
love. Listen, that's why I'm so in love with crypto because that could all be on the ledger, right? That could all be out there being verified, fact checked, verified 24/7 anywhere in the world, right? That's kind of the things we're talking about with that. That's why I said with your deeds to your house, to the title to your cars, to passports, right? Because it's not the information they have access to, but it's is it legitimate? Is it authentic? Right? And that's all that's what you
Right.
really need is the authenticity of it. So you can't just duplicate it. Because listen, anybody can make a passport, a driver's license, an ID, but if it's out there, right? And you can see every move it's made from the day it existed. You can't fake that. That's what's nice about crypto. That's why I love crypto in certain applications. So, all right. It's now 9/11. We've been all over the place today. Love your faces. In case you guys didn't hear, I will not be here March 20 or 21st. I will have somebody, don't worry, either go live or at least our paid members will be taken care of. So no issues with that. It'll be business as usual for everybody. Just going to go, and my wife says it's time I get out of the house. I'm like, okay, whatever you say, boss. So exciting times. I am pretty geeked up about that. I was fanboying over that earlier. Going to get to see my main man, Denzel. Excited about that. I'm going to have a little countdown. I might have to put a little countdown app on my phone. Days till I meet Denzel.
You got a bromance going there?
He's just awesome, man. He's just a cool dude. I mean, that's somebody you want to meet in real life, somebody you want to talk to and be around. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm excited about that. There's only a couple of people in life that I would be like, I would love to shake their hand, and he would be one of them. Because I do not get starstruck. I do not get the whole fame thing. Remember, I grew up around that. Some of you know that, right? My dad played professionally for a long time. I met tons of stars that people would go crazy over. I do not get starstruck at all. It's not even a thing. But there are certain people in this world that I think are good people, and I'd like to shake their hand. That's all.
Flip him a business card. Get him in here.
Right. No. It's just be like, hey, man, very nice to meet you. Love all your work. Have a great day. You know, I don't want to be all crazy. Let me take 47 pictures and video, and will you sign this? No.
Oh, it takes 9 seconds, 11 seconds to kill somebody and get out of the room.
No. Watch the buzzwords. You're going to get us all in trouble. Everybody. Yeah.
Movie Equalizer, everybody.
Yeah. The Equalizer.
Yeah.
What was the other one that he was in?
American Gangster?
No, the one where he was blind.
Book of Eli.
Yeah,
Oh,
Book of Eli.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was a great movie. I like that movie.
That was
Yes.
awesome.
Love that movie.
Oh my gosh, that was incredible. But anyways, all right. Enough about Denzel. Denzel, we love you. We're seeing you soon, brother. Can't wait to see you, man. It's 9:14. Obviously, the market took a dump yesterday. Everybody should have made money. That's just how it is. We don't care if the market goes up, market goes down. None of that matters. We still trade the trades. Leave the bias at the door. I say it every single day. Don't come in with a market bias. You just trade whatever the market wants to give you. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Government Cheese, Palm Coast, and Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Ed, Nick, Gilly, Diesel, Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. Wow, that was a nice clear horn. Thank you. Appreciate you. It is now 9:15. 9:15. If you guys are watching over on TikTok, good to see you all. Make sure you guys click that follow and share. Appreciate everybody being here. Thank you, everybody that's tuning in over on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, if it's up, Twitch, all the things. Thank you. Appreciate all of you being here. Do me a favor, if you would, click that follow or subscribe, whichever one you're on. We are now at 13,600 YouTube subscribers, so I'd appreciate it if you guys would share some love and get that out there right now. Congratulations to everybody, by the way, that took advantage of our ridiculous sale that we had on our Diamond Lifetime memberships. That was a lifetime membership to all of our services that we have available, all of our memberships today and any we add in the future. If you guys still want to get that deal, you can. It's now $20,000. You guys can also make 4 easy payments of $5,000 per month. That'll get you in the door, get you going, get you crack-a-lacking, get you all set. I think right now we still have a sale on VIP memberships. You can get VIP or VIP Gold for $3,500 each. If you want to get both of them combined, $6,000 right now. That sale is going to be ending soon as well. Take advantage of that. Those are $5,000 deals for $3,500, or save $4,000 if you get them both at the same time. Crypto right now, if you guys want to join our crypto membership, is $500 for the year for the first year and $1,500 for a lifetime. Once we start going live and we get all the things going over there, of course, those prices will go up. Crypto will be $250 a month for regular crypto services. VIP crypto, of course, once we implement that, will be $500 a month, so on and so forth. But with crypto, we're also doing the TradingView indicators. So you guys can also get the TradingView indicators. All right, I can see Apple is flat. NVIDIA is down 3.5%. SPY is down 0.6%. We got a lot going on in the market today. Everybody follow all the rules. Real quick, legal. American Dream Trading is not a financial, we do not give financial, tax, or investment advice. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. While you are here training, make sure you guys are paper trade, simulate trading only. Do not blow up your real money while you are in training. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. That averages about 2%. Do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you're a newer trader, it will rip your face off. It is the busiest time of day. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade. Make sure you guys are using small position sizes to have base hits. They will turn into home runs once you let them go, once you learn how that works. But I don't want you guys to go in large and ruin and blow up your accounts. Make sure you guys are journaling every day. You should have your journals next to you right now. This is now March 4th, 2025. We have been rocking and rolling. Thank you again, everybody, for being here. This is going to be exciting. Listen, if we get to 350 concurrent viewers, I'll do a giveaway. 50,000 likes, giveaway. We did 3 giveaways yesterday. We had the super chats open yesterday over on YouTube. We did 3 premium membership giveaways yesterday. Are any of you in this room, any of you new members with us right now that won the memberships yesterday? Anybody? Bueller? Okay. Well, we gave away 3 yesterday. Listen, those of you that received those free memberships and goodies and things that we've done in the past, take advantage of that. Don't let it go away just because you got it for free. Don't waste the time that you have with us. So many times, right? What is given freely, you don't really respect. Don't do that this time. Do not do that this time. If you receive something from us, be here. Work on it. I'm serious. If you work this thing, this could change your life. This could change your life. By the way, I see people direct messaging me. Don't direct message me. I don't respond to those anymore. I don't have time to respond to thousands of people's direct message. If you guys want to talk to us, open up a help desk ticket. If you go over on the left-hand side under ADT Community, it says Help Desk Support. That is the only place where you'll be able to communicate with us. We will not friend request. We will not send you a direct message. We will not say we will trade for you and copy trading. None of that's us, okay? Everybody be cool. Good to see you, Jim. I see you over there, Gilly. Shando, what's up? Good to see you. Daniel, I see you over there on TikTok. Eric's Moto in the house over on TikTok. You don't stop. Tiscar, Morpheus, Straight Razor. Good to see you over there. Thank you for the gifts. Ice WTRR, Liv, Lowu, Seven Dust. I want PSS Official, Kawi. Thank you for all those gifts. Thank you for those follows. Thank you for those shares. I see them. Appreciate you. Good morning over there. I see David's over there, our own David over on Twitch. By the way, if you want to watch all of his amazing work, if you're a VIP Gold member, David is working the VIP Gold area with the live Apple chat, showing you the ins and outs of him trading and the 2-minute EWO strategy. on Just Apple. He does that every morning over there, doing a great job. I appreciate that. David is closing in now on $500,000 in profit since joining American Dream Trading. He is also one of our moderators and one of our trainers here full time. So we appreciate you, David, doing a great job. We've got, of course, Eric's Moto over there with the assist, always helping out, and other moderators. We're here live, by the way, 3 times a day. I'm here from 9 to 11 every day, stocks, options, and sometimes futures. Today, I'll be trading a prop firm again. This is a simulated prop firm account. I always tell you guys what I'm doing over here. 2.5 years, I've traded live cash accounts. I've been messing with these prop firms, just trying to master these. So like I said, I'll be doing these for a while, just kind of mixing them in and out. So I'm here from 9 to 11, and then Mark is here from 2 to 4 o'clock every day for that power hour segment doing just futures. And then in the afternoon at 5 o'clock, we've got Dawn with the aftermarket and the panel over there. Make sure you guys tune into all of these things. Show them the love. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I see Miranda, one of our amazing moderators, just posted that we've got onboarding today. If you guys are new or newer, check out our onboarding class at 12:30. That is a live Zoom class where you can ask questions. We'll show you around where to get all of the information. Listen, even if you're a free member, join the onboarding. It literally is just going to show you where all the training material is, what time we are live on which different, things, which platforms we're using, where you can get all your information, how to navigate Discord, and the things that we have. So I highly recommend you guys go over there and check that out. Premium membership start at $125 a month. With that, you're going to get those hot stock picks we post every day, the IPO Center, the videos on demand, the membership lounge, and you can have a live open mic with us starting at 8:45 until 4 p.m. every single day. It's the greatest thing. It's the greatest thing you'll ever be able to get your hands on. I'm telling you, it's amazing starting out at just that $125. If you guys want to upgrade to the VIP membership, that's $500 a month. But with that, you're going to get early pre-market access with some of our other self-made millionaires and mentors starting at 4 o'clock. That's 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. So you're going to get about 60 hours of trading and training with our membership with a VIP. We've also got the VIP lounge. All the workshop classes are free and they're recorded for your training. And we've got the VIP training videos. We've got over 50 of those specifically designed just for you. And of course, you're going to get all the TradingView indicators for free with the VIP membership. It just costs like $15 a month for TradingView, and then our system overlays on top of that. That's what we use with our 2-minute EWO, by the way. If you guys are ready to upgrade your VIP, go to the gold add-on. With that, you're going to get all the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support where we can go in, help you set up your charts, get everything looking the way that we have ours set up. You're going to get weekend training every Saturday from 11 to noon. It's typically on Saturdays, 11 to noon. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, Gold Priority Help Desk support, the news service that we release all the time. You guys will love that news service, by the way. Our breakout rooms, which are every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. You guys will get access to that. We also have the Futures membership. With the Futures membership, you guys will get training every day from noon to 4. You're going to get all the Futures education, all the training videos, the Futures Lounge, all the Zoom calls, and all the replays are all recorded right now inside of the Futures room. So that's where we're at. That's all the things that we have. Hopefully you guys will take advantage of some of those things. Listen, if you're not ready, just join us for free. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, go to pricing, or scroll down, click on Join Discord for free. When you guys join the Discord, you will have 12 hours or 20, I think it's 24 hours now. You must verify your account or it will kick you off the system thinking you're a bot, okay? Yeah, the pre-market, yep, absolutely. You guys can work with, again, some of our self-made millionaires over there. We have a lot of them, by the way. We've made over 10 people $1 million+ so far. The only ones that I know about And I know we've done much greater things than that. We've got people in the room that have made over $30 million inside of here. I mean, some of these people are doing absolutely extraordinary things, but I must warn you the statistics, which are 90 to 95% of all stock market traders will lose their money. So please don't become a statistic. You need to study every day. You need to chart. You need to understand what we're doing. Do not use real money in the beginning so you don't become that statistic where you just come in thinking you're going to, right, throw all your money in and you're going to make $1 million and you don't know what the hell you're doing, and then you lose all your money and go, this isn't for me. You quit, and then you're a statistic. The only things that I ask when you guys show up, because I know you've come from a lot of different rooms and a lot of kids and all the stuff that's out there on the internet because you didn't know where to go. My name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for 33 years. I've trained over 1 million people. I've retired over 200 people. We're going in on close to $200 million in profits. Don't ask for receipts because I don't have them. I just know what each particular people have made. Between 3 people, we're at almost 100 million. So do the math. Doesn't take long to get there. I've got a couple of my moderators that are doing $1 million months. So congratulations to them. Some of them, just so you guys know, 8 out of the 10 people that we've created millionaires never traded a day in their lives. That has to tell you something about what we're doing here, right? We've got 2 minutes to the bell. But again, don't come in with ideas of grandeur thinking you're going to be a millionaire and not have to put any work into it. That's not true at all. You need to work. Some of you are going to get it right away. Some of you are going to take longer. Some of you, you're going to get it in a month. Some of you are going to take 10 years. Yes, I said 10 years. Some of you just will not apply what you are learning. You will bounce around different rooms. You'll get all these different strategies, all these things. You won't apply anything. You'll just keep doing it, and you'll wonder why you're not being successful. Listen, the buck stops here. You are in the right place at the right time at American Dream Trading. We are a legitimate corporation. We have 20 moderators standing by. We have a full help desk service. We have over 2,000 training videos on YouTube alone. And again, we've trained over 1 million people that have come through these doors to get training just like you. Thank you for being here. I just pointed at the cameras. I know we got 1 minute, but I've got a new camera that we're going to be implementing. I'm going to try to install this tonight if I can. So you guys will have another professional cam that's going to be set up. So hopefully the quality will be just a little bit better. Always trying to make it just a little bit better here. So that'd be real nice. 30 seconds to the bell. Again, I will be trading a prop firm, simulated cash on this prop firm. I'm doing a bunch of these. We're looking at some of these as affiliate partners. I know you guys saw a bunch of drama out there. That's why I'm not recommending that company right now till they can get their stuff in order. I've actually taken it off my affiliate program list. We don't do drama here. All right, let's see what we've got. We're going to definitely be watching NVIDIA here. You can see it bounced at 108.85, so 109. Here we go. Nobody go rogue on me today, please. Watching SPY and ES futures, of course. I'm looking for this 579 area on SPY to see if it's going to bounce. If it breaks through that, I'm going to be hammering that. SPY touching that 579. All right, SPY breaks at 579, man. That thing has got a long way to go before that gap down. Apple starting to make a move to the upside. See if the market makers are going to try to hold SPY up at 579 or if it's going to crash here. Major double bottom here on SPY at 579. Apple to the upside.
575.03 on the 1 hour was a bounce.
Yep, that's what I got. I got 575.50, but yeah, I'm sure that's correct over there. So 579 here, watching this double bottom bounce. I'm not in a trade, not yet. I'm waiting for the break of 579 to the downside is what I'm looking for, or a bounce above 580. Those are the two setups that I'm waiting for. Remember, just wait for your A+ setup. Make sure you have your stops in place. SPY breaks and holds below 579. I will go short. Apple still just sitting here in the middle. Now remember, the whole market is heavy, so just be mindful of that. There goes SPY. I just went short on SPY. Below that 579 on SPY. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that fight. 579 with SPY right here.
Order filled.
Taking off 5 contracts at 15.
Order filled.
Taking another.
Order filled.
Taking the rest. Up $770 for the day. SPY to the downside below 579, ladies and gentlemen. That's the move, right?
Order filled.
Is anybody in that?
I was, Coach.
Order filled.
Thank you. Just took another. I'm up 1,000. $579 was the move to the downside on SPY. Good job. I can see Apple is now starting to get a little bit of a pop. It's not doing much. Remember, small position sizes allow them to work. Now, I'm just going a little bit heavier, so I'm going in and out. If I was going lighter, though, I would just hold on to those 579s to the downside, right?
Order filled.
Still riding this on SPY to the downside. Anybody still in that?
I'm in it, Coach.
Thank you. Good job.
TS7 is running.
Thank you. To the upside.
You betcha.
Thank you.
Coach,
Talk to me.
I did lock in 2 grand right here at 578.08.
Nice job. Good job. Yeah, I want to see this come back up to 579. I'm going to buy more puts right there.
Order filled.
I'm going to add a little bit here. Oh, yeah. Weak sauce. Look at that pushback when it hit the 9 on the 1 minute. Everybody see it?
Yep.
It likes this spot, though. This, what is this? 578. Keeps bouncing off that 578.
That was the previous capital.
Yep.
Order filled.
Add a little bit off this. Yeah, 578. Marking it. Looking to see if SPY's going to pull back here. 579 around this 9 area. Apple's pulling back.
That 578.02, Coach, was everything right there.
Yep, I see that. Looking to see if we're going to get a pullback here off this 579. There it is. Slight pullback here. Nice. There we go. Look at that. Looking for it to flush right there. On that touch of 579. Looking for a pullback still. Still extremely heavy. Everybody be cool. Make sure everybody has their stops in place. There's 579.
Order
That's
filled.
resistance. That's resistance right here. Breaking through resistance. Just hit the 21 to the upside.
Tesla just moved up $5.
Thank you. Looking for the move above 580 to long. Still heavy down here. It touched 580 and pulled back.
Order filled.
Looking for it right here. Still heavy off this 21. It's respecting the 21 to the downside, but got a lot of momentum to the upside right here.
Second green on Tesla.
Thank you.
NVIDIA moving nicely to the upside, coach.
Thank you. Let's take a peek. Oh, yeah. NVIDIA, nice move to the upside. Beautiful.
Watch out 115.
Yeah, that's nice. SPY up here at 580. This is where I look at going long above 580. If it can break and hold above 580 to go long. Has to be a break and hold.
It's also on the 6th candle.
Yeah, it's a lot of pressure up there.
Yeah.
Still sitting here, 580. Starting to get a little bit of a pop. Nothing yet. Yeah, NVIDIA is still to the upside. NVIDIA, you guys want to see that break this 115.50? 115.50 will be huge. That's a double top right now on NVIDIA. Be careful. All right, there goes SPY pulling back on
Order filled.
the 580. I'm shorting that. When in small off of that 580, I'll add in if it breaks below the 9.
I found you more supports after the 578, coach.
Thank you.
I had to go in deep.
Right here you did?
Yeah, we're on the 20-minute.
Yep. I just added for the short here on the break of 9. See if this can break this 9.
Order filled.
Added in. Nice. Oh, that's a beautiful flush. Nice.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Just made $5,000.
Yeah, 579.
Yep. That's it for this half of this one. I can't trade out of this anymore. I actually made too much money out of this one. Made $4,895.50, and this one is done. Wah, wah. All right. Next. That was a good
Only
time.
10 minutes, coach.
I know it. That was it. 5K. That's all the trading I really want to do today. I want to concentrate on you guys now. Made 5,000 in that, done. I have to actually make it 4,500 though. I can't be up this much. Otherwise it ruins it with the 50% consistency we've talked about before. So let me see if I can accidentally trade to give back 300. How stupid is that? Hold on, let me see if I can accidentally lose some money off this real quick.
Coach.
I do. I literally have to go backward.
It's addicting.
I know
Make
it.
money by losing it.
Yeah. It's crazy. Yeah, because this account you don't want to make more than 4,500 because the combine it forces you to do 2 days on these.
Oh, I want it flush, getting that 579 and retest at 578.
Yeah, I agree.
Order filled.
Right there. Nailed it. All right, now I'm at $4,587. I think I'm
Let's
gonna.
go, coach.
Yeah, let me see if I can lose $100. Let me try to lose 100. Hold on. It's funny. You got to go opposite of what you think just so you can lose money. Hold on. I know it sounds silly, but combines.
Order filled.
Come on, only 100. Don't lose more than that. Just 100. There it is.
Order filled.
Hey, that'll work. Okay, 4,316. Nice. Here, let me make 100. Hold on. I lost too much. Let me make 100. Hold on.
Order filled.
And done.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. $4,388.40. Yay.
Let's go. I did shape here again at that 578. I did touch.
You know that's funny when you can make or lose money at will, right?
There it goes.
Isn't that hilarious?
It's amazing, coach. All thanks to you, man.
Nice job. There goes the flush of 578. Let's go. Good job. That hurt my win rating, my win ratio to 66%, but I don't care. It's better to make the combines than have the 100% win rates. Good job. Yeah, you're limited on the prop firms. They only allow you to make X amount, at least during combines and stuff. Yep. So SPY below 578 is to the downside, gang. Just be careful because it's bouncing around. This is the same spot it bounced last time.
That's a break.
There it goes. Yep, there it goes. Look at the volume come in off that buy. You see that? Double bottom bounce.
Yeah.
Save my ass, coach.
Yep. That's dangerous at 578.
Coach, these options are bouncing wildly. I had my order way up there and it was all playing like 20% less and something reached up, grabbed it, and I cashed in.
Yeah, good. That's gamma. So you're going to get a lot of gamma movement, right?
Yep.
Or implied volatility is going to move a lot. So be careful. Good job. Nice job over there, Mark. I see you over there. Got the money printer on full blast. Good job. Mark's over there making dreams a reality here now at American Dream Trading.
We all are, coach.
I love it. All that hard work paying off. Love it.
Don't look at the other members in their post.
Yeah, I see them. Good job. SPY again, 578. Watching for that. And NVIDIA sitting right on VWAP right now on the 2-minute. Let's see. Apple. Starting to move to the upside. You guys are in an EWO to the upside, but it is choppy. Check out some of the guidance that you're getting from David. Make sure you guys are listening to him over there in the 2-minute EWO. He lives and breathes in Apple. He is the Apple Whisperer. Oh,
You
yeah.
just made me spit my drink out.
Oh, I missed you guys. Okay, there's that bounce off 578 on SPY. Again, double bottom area. Huge support.
Forming head and shoulders now.
Yep. I see Ange over there getting it done. Doug over there getting it done. All the moderators. Yeah, our futures moderators over there just printing. Good job. I see Steve's over there in futures. Nice. William. Matt. Who'd I miss? Vanessa.
I see Bobby, and I see Shelly, and
Yep.
I see Katie.
Yep.
Is that Zoom?
Peggy Sue.
Yeah.
Nice. And
Does
Christina.
anyone see dead people?
I said Christina.
I see dead people.
Christina, I see you're kicking butt again. I like to see that.
Thank you. I'm trying.
Don't you give any of that back, young lady. You
I'm
hear
trying
me?
not to do that for sure.
Okay. Small position size. That's how you win the day, okay?
Yep. That's it.
SPY off this big bounce again. 578 is the floor so far. So far, that is the floor. Palm, nice job. I see Palm's already up $20,000 this morning. The market's been open for 17 minutes. Jeez, oh, Pete's. He's a maniac. Good job. No, futures is not the same as Forex. Hello, Candlestick. Good to see you. Hey, what's up, Charlie? I see you. SPY getting that move. Like I said, I could long this above 580, but don't do it early. You hear me? Wait for the break and hold of 580. And don't forget, you got that 200 staring at you once you break 580. But you do have about $1 move if you can get the break and hold of 580. But don't you dare. Don't you dare just try to get in that early, okay? This is all to the downside today, at least so far for SPY, okay? Do you hear the sound of my voice?
A bounce off of 3274, and it's climbing.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. NVIDIA coming up on a double top. Remember, I said I want to see that above 115.50. 115.50 is what we're looking for, the break and hold for NVIDIA to the upside on 115.50. There goes SPY again, respecting the 21 off of this one on this pull. Now, this is going to be the third time this has come down to 578. The more times this touches, the more likely it is to pop. So the more times we get down to 578, the more cautious I am if I think it's going to pop to the upside. So you guys know how you've been buying calls on support at 578? I would stop doing that right now. Do you hear the sound of my voice? I would not be buying calls at 578. Now I would look for a flush of 578. Just because it's getting more and more dangerous the more times this touches, right? Checking my L2s. Yeah, this wants to flush. There goes. Payday. Do you see why we would not buy calls that time, ladies and gentlemen, versus before we would have? Now we are into the downside. Nice job. Good job. Let me go get
Thank
something.
you, Coach. That
Yeah.
was an instant 200.
Nice job. Nice job.
Tesla flush, new low.
I'm just trying to listen to you more because it's volatile like this. I could have hung on, but I didn't want to because it was just too jumpy.
Yes, yes. Nice job. Oh, my stomach was so jacked yesterday. First time I've had a diet do, and it feels like years. It's been years. Show is not brought to you by Diet Mountain Dew. Oh, that is very carbonated. Ooh-wee.
Coach, I just felt that sip of Mountain Dew when you took it.
It's glorious, my friend. Glorious. Brought a tear to my eye.
That's exactly what it did.
It did. Look at SPY. Who's in that? Nice flush from 578.
Yep. Still in, coach.
I am.
Nice.
This guy.
Nice job. Good job. Checking the L2s. I still don't see any levels. I can see a lot of buyers popping in there.
Get tired on buy side.
Yeah, it's a break and hold 577.60 and then all the way down to 576.50.
Yep.
Yeah, my trade, Eric. That's where I'm at.
Yeah, like I said, I can see some big buyers that are coming in. You'll see them just quickly pop in on that L2. It'll be like 1,200, 1,400, 1,200. See them? There was 1,150. 1,100 right there. You see how they there's 1,000, there's 1080. See how they're popping in up here? 1,200. Look at the L2s. Watch it. 2,200 just got bought. See it? 1,700, 1,300. You can see them, but they're just not able to hold it up. It's too weak. Market's too weak to be in. I would never be buying right now for calls. Hell no. These people are crazy in here trying to buy it long right now. Like, you guys are maniacs.
Coach, it looks like a triple bottom from December on SPY.
Yep. This is heavy. This is the Widowmaker days when people are trying to buy longs and all it's doing is shorting.
I'm trying to kill this.
Love this.
Yep. Look at that. There it goes. New low a day.
Next level is 576.57.
Hi, Bubblegum Shrimp. Hi.
Don't forget that 1 hour 575.03 I mentioned.
Oh, yep. And I've got 575.50 as the next gap down, 575.50.
Yeah, from January.
Yes, look at this.
Yep. Touchdown.
Glorious. Who's making money on this?
Right here, coach.
Yes.
Hell yeah.
Good job. Good job.
I am.
Good job. Good job.
Coach, you said tariffs were a bad thing.
No, I never said they're a bad thing. I think they're great. You'll never hear me say that.
I never heard you say that.
No, hell no.
Not you, Coach.
Yeah.
Just the folks outside.
Yeah. Yeah, the people crying right now, right? While we're all making money. Isn't that funny again, though? The people in the know, look at everybody in this room should be printing today, right?
Yep.
Well, think about it. How many of you, though, thought you could only make money when the stocks go up? Right? That was pre-joining American Dream Trading. We're like, wait a minute. You can make money that way, too?
Well, that's my favorite thing. You should check out my post on X.
Mm-hmm.
If only there were one place.
That's right. Hell, some of our biggest profit days are when the market is crashing. Am I right?
75%.
100%.
Yep. Good job. Yes, thank you guys. I see you over on the X posting, tagging me at ADT Coach. Thank you for those. Nice. Like I said, tariffs will cause a little bit of scare in the interim. I told you guys this, though, weeks ago. I said in the beginning, it will cause a scare, right? Until all the jobs are created and all the money comes flowing in and all the things that we're already seeing. So nobody is panicking. Listen, if you're at American Dream Trading, I already know you're not panicking.
Little pain for the gain.
That's right. The rest of the world might be like, oh my gosh. And we're all like, yeah, baby. Now, you guys remember that I always and forever have told you to hedge all of your longs, right?
Absolutely.
I think I'm the only person I know of on the entire internet that would tell you to hedge your longs. People think that's counterintuitive. I don't, because of times that the market wants to pull back. This is when you are protected. And I have been saying this since the day I have gone live in front of all of your faces. I do not hold anything long that is not hedged and protected to the downside. This is why it's not always, the market always goes up. Yeah, but there are instances and short times in the middle where it will pull back. And this is when you can protect yourselves.
Oh, you're just gambling.
Am I right, everybody? I mean, I've got
What the
videos,
family
tons
says.
of videos that say hedge long,
Oops.
hedge the long, hedge the long, hedge the long, right?
Today's a good day for cash secured puts, right? If you want to own shares.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Always on down days. Cash secure puts on down days. Write your covered calls on up days. Yep.
Shift change in 3 minutes.
Thank you. 2.5 minutes now. Thank you very much for that countdown. I appreciate you. Looking good. Yes, Malia. So if I'm holding anything long, I'm either hedging with like a covered call or I've got some puts against the hedge. That is my insurance. So if the market crashes, I am covered. I've been saying it every day, haven't I, gang?
Every day.
Every day.
Yes, sir.
Without exception. Never have changed my opinion. Never will.
And your SPY was correct, Coach. The 576.51 that says lowest.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's just consolidating here.
OKTA hot stock pick, new high.
Thank you. OKTA, hot stock pick, new high a day. Thank you for that.
$575.03 was the last major support.
Thank you.
ES mini double bottom, Coach. Mini.
Yep, I see it. This is respecting this 9 now all the way down on the 1 minute right here. This is where it's respecting. Everybody see it?
Yeah, there's nothing between here and 575.
Yeah, I've got 575.50 marked next, but you're right. This is yeah, nice gap down territory. Swatch for volume.
Here comes sellers on ES.
Yeah, here comes the, look at this pulling. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So you guys are down $2 now from that 578 puts. Who's still in there? Who made money off that trade?
I took advantage of that gamma candle.
Yeah.
Still
Oh,
in.
smart.
I'm staying in. I'm not jumping out anytime soon. Nothing's telling me to.
45 seconds to shift.
Thank you. Yeah, watch for volume. 10 seconds, gang. 10 seconds. Oh, look at that flush. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Here it comes on my level of support. 575.50 was my next level of support. Oh my gosh. Volume in. Still flushing. Oh, that's beautiful, gang. Please tell me you guys are still in that making ass loads of money. Oh, excuse my language.
Hell yeah, I am. Yes. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, that's glorious.
There's 575.03.
That is nice. Oh my, look at that. That 575.50, it couldn't hold it. Look at this thing. Oh, yep, 575.03 right there. Yep, right?
Yeah.
Yep, I see it. Thank you. Good job, you guys. That's beautiful. I had to zoom in. Good job. This is nutso. It's glorious. Next major level, 573.75.
Here we go.
Wow.
That's a macro double bottom. You might catch a bounce.
Wow. Yeah, definitely this 575 is major bounce territory.
I flipped the script on that.
Yep. That's a big one.
And I'm only taking the dollar item out of that.
Yep. Now I'm just watching pull back or bounce up to the 9 and then pull back again. Trade it until you can't trade it anymore, right?
I didn't even wait that long.
Yep.
I sold on the dollar box.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Good job over there, Mark. I see you. Goodness gracious.
Yeah. That's not my latest.
I know, you're just getting it done.
Just got out of oil, hit the level I called out earlier in the
Yes,
chat.
I saw that. Beautiful move. Good job. You guys over there in the
win.
Yes, if you guys are over there in futures, we've got the live futures chat going on under Mark and Angie's tutelage, and Doug over there now getting it done, printing in that group. Mark doing a hell of a job over there. You're making people a believer. I like it.
My hero.
A genuine hero. Thank you. 13,000 likes over on TikTok. Thank you so much. Don't forget, we're going to do a giveaway. 50,000 likes or 350 concurrent viewers. We've been giving away a ton of stuff. YouTube, 100 likes, giveaway. Twitch, wake up. I see you, my rowdy crew. Thank you for those subs. Spy, real heavy here again on 575. What did I say? I said, watch for it to pull up, right? I said, watch for it to come up to the 9 and get rejected and pull back. Isn't this exactly what it did here twice?
Yeah, I flipped back and puts off of that.
Nice job. Everybody sees that, right? Off the 9?
Oh yeah. I didn't even bother going the other way because I didn't want to get out, and I just waited for it because it was coming right back.
Christina's like, I'm not getting in and out. That's it. Just
I
leave
don't
it.
even gonna try that.
Yep.
I'm just gonna sit here and wait.
Making that money. Look at NVIDIA pulling. Isn't that crazy? NVIDIA was up like 0.5%, and now it's down again 1.5%. That's a wild ride over there. Apple bounced off that double bottom around 236.30-ish and bounced. That's also what gave SPY a little bit of a push, a little bit of a nudge there to the upside. Tesla doing the same thing. I've got Tesla at 2 critical levels. I've got gold marked at 264.50 and 263.24. 2 gold levels for Tesla there.
At same levels.
Do you? Okay, thank you. All right, now listen, this is consolidation. Right here is the channel in SPY, which is around this 576.20. It's respecting the 9 so far. Starting to get a bit of a squeeze here between the 9 and this 575. Caution light is up for me on my puts. My caution light is up. This is a squeeze. You got your 9 coming down to your 575. I'm taking profits here on my puts. Everybody hear the sound of my voice?
Yeah, Coach. Yes, sir.
Yes, Coach.
Yep. I just shed a bit. I can add on the break of 575 to the downside, but what I don't want to see is some whale come in here, pound this thing to the upside because he sees the squeeze here. Pop or drop is coming in. And I'd rather take some off in case it's the pop, and then I can add in if it's the drop. Make sense?
Yeah, I just said.
Yeah, I can always add, but I want to make sure I get my guaranteed money here.
So you're gonna pop, drop, and lock in that
Yep,
profit.
pop, drop, and lock.
Well,
SPY likes to run a little rescue pump if they get too far out of pocket.
I agree. And it's 1.5% right here. And it's all like, this is a squeeze spot.
Yep.
I don't like it as all. I just don't like the way this is set up. Even though it's still everything's downside and it's trending and all the things, but I'm seeing this 9 right here coming all the way down right here to this squeeze spot that has been consolidating. So one joker will come in here, right, and be like, yay, and just blow this thing up. Just be cool. Sure. I can add down here. Which is below 5, what is this, 570, 477 I can add. Still respecting the 9, still looking good, but this 574, 70-ish is floor.
Straddle.
Yeah, I don't know about a straddle partner, only because it doesn't have much room to the upside, but I don't want it to pop up to this 21 and get back a bunch off a huge gamma garbage, you know what I mean? Now, below 574.70, I can add. But look at Apple starting to pop. What else is doing that? Yeah, it's all right so far. It's still creeping. Well, SPY's still heavy. We're all right. This is so long in the tooth, Palm. 1.5%, which for SPY is so big.
It is. Nobody wants to be the first guy to stick their neck out because they know they're just going to get shit on.
I agree. They are really scared. That is a lot, though. That's a big move in the market.
I'm done for the day, Coach. That's it. Can't take it anymore.
I see it. I see it. I see it. You're going to go for a walk after that one, probably, huh?
Yep. Be back at noon for our live futures paid member training.
Nice job. Mark doesn't smoke, so he's going to get his candy cigarettes out.
I'm gonna have to start buying. I'm gonna have to start buying gummies, Coach. I gotta check that out.
And smoke those candy cigarettes.
You know where you'd blow on it and the sugar dust would come off? Yeah. That's what he's going to do right now.
That'll be the second Mark that's gone to gummies.
Yep. Good job, Mark. I see it. That's incredible. Good job.
Can you imagine Mark on gummies?
Oh, gosh. You know what it would turn into, Dawn?
What?
Hey, man, get off my porch.
Hey, man.
Just gonna say something like that.
Porch. Hey, look, we're trading with American Dream Trading.
.com, man. .com, man.
Oh, man.
Mellow.
Yeah, it was all natural back in the 70s. Now they got to put sugar in.
Right.
Yeah, I was gonna say Mark's not innocent when it comes to that stuff. I know.
Oh boy.
American Dream Trading.
What?
Everybody be cool, man. Mellow.
Yeah.
Mellow. SPY still to the downside. Broke 574.50. That's what that. Remember, I set up here at 574.70. You could add to the downside. Did anybody add below 574.70? That was the add.
I just got to stop behind the 9.
Oh yeah, nice.
Kind of painful watching this, but still moving.
Yep, still moving to the downside. This is crazy. My next level's 573.70 ish. Oh my gosh, dude, this is a bleeder. Almost 2%. What are we at? 1.6%. Wow.
That 575 was a critical macro support.
Yes. This is nice. Very nice. Mark, is it okay if I tell the group after I go off live what you made? Since it's
after you're off the air, yeah.
Yep, I will. We'll post it all over publicly and on the internets for them all to see. So you guys hear that after we get off the air, remind me and I'll let you know. He's just going crazy over there. It's awesome.
Actually, you need to review everybody in the future. They're all having great days.
Yep.
See you. Bye. I'm out.
Thank you. See ya. Everybody everywhere should be having a great day, right? Every day here at American Dream Trading. If you just listen to the sound of my voice and what people are doing and empty your cup and follow all the rules and get in when you're supposed to and shed when you're supposed to, risk management, all the things, everybody should be making money. Hell, we got in on SPY on the break of 578, right? 578 was the A+ setup when we got into those puts. Am I right?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It's beautiful. It's glorious, man.
Yes, broke above the 9, Coach.
Yep, I see it. I see it. I see it. First time it's done that. That's the first time that it's broke above the 9 in a while. Now, is it going to stay up there?
Make it stop. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. As soon as I said it started coming back.
Yep. You just needed Christina to whine at it.
That's right.
Stop
it. Stop.
Yep. Stop it.
Retested at 575.
Yeah, I don't like it above 574.70. This is where I had marked. See my red level? I don't like it up there. Because remember, isn't 574.70 exactly where I told you guys I'd be collecting those profits? I didn't like it there, right? Don't like it in that spot. Apple getting a big old pop off of VWAP.
That's the problem right there. Apple's making this happen.
It is.
Somebody make it stop.
It is.
You need to put a stop to that right now.
Cut it out, Apple. We're trying to print
David,
here.
take care of it. Take care of your stock.
Yeah, David, your stock's getting out of hand.
Handle it.
Handle it.
Better not stop on me now. I'm only up about 6% on this 2 minute.
Apple's David's like, Apple's got to run a little bit more, you guys, before it gets taken down.
All right. Take yours, David, then throw it back down to us.
Yep, just
Does
knock
anybody
it.
remember the show Carter Country? Hand it, Roy. Hand it, hand it.
I don't. I actually don't. Yeah.
I don't either.
It was kind of like a Dukes of Hazzard type show, but he would the mayor would always tell his it was a comedy, tell his police guy whenever something was like, handle it, Roy, handle it, handle it.
Handle it.
That's awesome. I might have seen it, but
I've not seen it.
some of us are not as old as you, Dawn.
You know what? Oh my God, I almost just cussed you straight out. Oh my God.
Yeah. Dawn's over here watching Green Acres with us. You know what I'm saying? Green Acres is the place to be. Don't find living is the life for
guys,
me.
let's all at least pretend to support her and say we saw it.
Yeah. We
I saw it, Don.
Yeah, we're here with you.
Richard.
We're here with you. Don't be a Richard.
I remember. Don't be
Richard, you just got some brownie points.
Oh, that's nice. You hear that? You lied for it and it made it up. That's nice.
I love her.
She's reading from two stone tablets.
Yep. Everybody be cool.
Why did I speak up?
Everybody be cool. It's okay. It's all right. SPY at 574.70 again. It did touch the 21 this time. This is the first time since, this is the first time since 9:49 that it's even touched the 21 on the 1 minute.
And Coach, just know I owe you.
I know it. I so can't wait for that. 574.70 downside. That's an ad, right?
Yep.
574.70 downside. That's an ad. Hit the 21. Respected it. Pulled back.
Glorious. First time's in the shedding area, right?
Yes, sir. Isn't that exactly where I said last time to shed? Remember?
Yep.
To the penny. 574.70 last time when I said everybody shed some.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Hey, it's Gator. I just wanted you to know I've been in your program about 2 weeks and watched your mastermind.
Yes.
I ended up doing a $500 paper account and doubled that account in 5 days.
Holy
So
crap.
I just want to say thank you. I'm definitely learning, and this is awesome.
Oh, nice. Thank you for being here, Gator. I appreciate you, man. Great name, too, by the way. Go Gators. I like it.
ES broke double bottom.
Yep, I see it. SPY right on that ad of 574.70 to the downside. It hit the 21, couldn't go any higher. That's why we added. Nice pullback. Now it's breaking through the next major level of support ahead, which was 573.74. Wow, you guys, this is glorious. I want to remind you that the trade was... what the hell was it? 577.39? Was that the break of? No. Was it? Yeah, it was 5. Was it 577.39? Is that where we all hammered it? I can't even remember now. We had like 80 of them. Oh, I must have accidentally moved. Oh, it was 578, wasn't it? Yeah, it was the break of 578 we got in on.
I got in at 9:32 and then 9:34.
Yep. So yeah, that was the move. That was our big move, was the break of 578. Remember, gang?
Yeah, that was the major level right there. You guys were saying 578 is big.
Yep.
Yeah.
And now we're at 573. That's a $7 freaking move on SPY that you guys are in right now. $7 A+ trade, right?
Huge. Huge.
Yeah, this is $1 million trading day easily. Easily. 1,000 SPX contracts, you'd be well over $1 million, I would assume. 2,000 contracts, give or take. Yeah, it's $1 million day. Good job.
Well, I'm going to call it $1,000 day for myself.
Nice. Did you say 1,000, Christina?
Yeah, I said I'm going to call it $1,000 day for myself. So far, yeah, 1,039
Oh
right
my
now.
gosh.
Yes, I've been doing my $1,000 a day, a little bit more.
That's insane. And what size pool are you working with?
Today I started with $3,000 because I paid rent yesterday. Yeah.
Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, I've been
A
doing that a day.
$3,000 account. She's made 1,000 so far today.
Yeah. Yep.
Coach, I'm up 500 on Meta.
Yes.
Nice.
Love it.
Meta looked scared of me today. And yesterday too. I was like, I'm too scared for that.
Man, I got that thing so charted out.
Yeah, I like SPY.
That's beautiful. Look at Apple. It hit 239, where I have marked here 3 times, flushed.
6:39. I'm done for the day.
639,
Oh.
partner.
Yep. Cool.
Nice job.
Nice
Yes, go
job,
ahead.
Lee.
Good job. Somebody said, Coach, go ahead.
Yeah, my name's Scott. I've
What's
been
up, Scott?
watching you on YouTube for about, I want to say, a month now.
Yes.
I started watching you in trading, and I made up to about $2,000, and that made me take the plunge. So now I'm a member. So
Nice.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you for being here, Scott. I appreciate you, man.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah. It's a lot different being on this side, right? With real people, live interaction, and all the stuff.
Oh, I love it.
Thank you. Appreciate that. That's awesome. Good job.
Hey, Coach.
Yes, go ahead.
This is Vol Holler.
What's up, Bob?
One of your OG members.
Yep, I remember.
2.5 years back.
I do.
I wanted to piggyback off of Scott right there. Seems like he's picking it up really quick. And,
Yes, love it. Love it.
I told the Saturday crew with Dave in there that my 6-month VIP with the free gold thing ended yesterday.
Yes.
And I just wanted to give Dave a shout out the other day. And I told the group that it seems like I think I've finally hit my aha moment. And I hit it about 2 weeks before my membership ran out. And I'm like, you gotta be kidding. And I told them, and one of the gentlemen asked what was my aha moment and what maybe I guess helped me get there. And it was,
Yeah.
I told him the whole 2.5 years, the one rule that I always broke with you was not journaling.
Yes.
And I always kept telling myself, oh man, I can just journal in my head. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do.
And finally, a few weeks back, I said, you know what? I said, I'm tired of having one green day and 2 red days, one green day, 3 red days, and I mean they're not big wins or losses either way, but red is red and green is green. But so anyway, I started journaling and writing down, what you tell us to write down.
Yep.
And I tell people, I think it gives you just more conviction and just when you can see it wrote down in front of you, like, stop chasing, don't do this, here's why I got in, here's why I got out,
right,
things of that nature. So I guess the moral of the story is you guys who are new or newer or even still listening for free and things like that, follow the rules. If you break the rules, I think somebody even said at the very end, I think Dave even said it's, the definition of insanity. And it's like, I could start a channel, a trading thing called Insanity Trading. Because I've been doing the same old thing day after day after day, like a lot of us do, hoping that something's going to happen.
Yeah, wondering, why haven't I found success yet, right?
Right. And it was because I just wasn't doing all the rules. And the other big thing I told him was, what really I think made the big difference also was listening to Dave. And I'm telling you, the goal thing is the Apple chat is, I think just that alone, of going in and watching him every Saturday explain, it's really the same stuff. But once you hear it and start looking at it and saying, okay, I'm really trying to apply it.
Right.
It just, when you can start watching it enough, you know what Dave is going to say before he says it.
That's right.
Because you've heard it enough, you know what he's going to. So then it just starts building, but having the patience, and you keep talking about having the right setup. You've talked about it today over and over and over. And
yep.
It, man, I don't know what more to tell new guys other than just follow all the rules and just be patient. Just wait for the setup. Don't chase. Chasing will kill you.
Yes.
And but I wanted to appreciate, I just want to give you a shout out for everything you do.
For sure.
And everything Dave does for the group. And I had bought that last year. I don't know if you remember, I had just lost my job. And
yep.
I took my last basically $1,500 and went out on a limb and said, hey, now is the time if I'm going to make it work.
Yep.
And so, still kind of bouncing in between some part-time jobs, but, I've turned down some jobs, and I'm serious as a heart attack when I say this. I've turned down several jobs. I could be working full-time right now, 40 hours a week somewhere, but I knew it was going to interfere with my trading, and I have tried to do every little part-time thing I can that doesn't involve working at this time of the morning.
Right.
Just so I can be in the group and learn, because I know this is really my long-term deal. So
that's good. Sometimes you got to make those sacrifices right early on to get the rewards later. Well, I appreciate that. Thank you. And listen, this is why I say too every day, right? Valhalla and everybody else listening. We've trained on the same things the whole time, but until you are ready to hear it and absorb it, none of this matters. I used to sit in this seat 16 hours a day without taking any breaks, and I did that for what, a year and a half? If you weren't going to get it at 16 hours a day of me doing it, right, what is it going to take for you to drink in this knowledge? It's you, right? I'm pointing at all of you right now. It's all in you, but until you are ready, none of this is going to matter. Until you're ready to drink it in, I've been saying the same things. I've trained every person in this room on the exact same things. Everybody in this room that's training others is training on the exact same things that I trained them on, that we've all been doing every single day, every day. But until you are ready to hear it, none of it matters, right? Until you can apply it, none of it matters. So that's why I said some of you will get it in a month. Some of you, it could take 10 years until you finally go, now I'm going to listen. I've been here every day, all day, same training every day, consistently. Without fail, we've never changed anything since the day I walked in the room. Am I right?
Absolutely.
It's been here every day.
100% true.
All day. Shit, I used to live in this chair. I used to eat lunch in this chair. I used to never leave this
24/7.
chair. I was 7 days a week in this chair. I was live every morning. I was the only one in the freaking pre-market in the beginning. Nobody was in here at 4 o'clock. I was in here every single day before everybody came in here in the pre-market in the early morning, wee hours of the day, all the way through to market close. Every single day, because the same thing, I had to put in the work to build us to what we are today so that we could be live on the air 3 days a week, so that we could be 60 hours a week of training, 6 days a week in all the things and employing all these people and all the stuff that we have and changing all these lives. You guys got to do it too. You guys got to put in the work. You got to sacrifice today so you'll be okay tomorrow, right? And this is why I keep talking about Mark. This is why I keep saying it. Yes, everybody else is making money. The reason I am highlighting Mark right now is because Mark, for 2.5 years, has put in all of that work. And now Mark is making more money than he's ever seen in his life, ever. Because he put in the time. He worked his butt off. He was here diligently. He was here in the pre-market, here in the regular hours, here on the weekends, in the aftermarket show. I hear all the time, and guess what? Now Mark will be one of the richest people in America the way that he's trading right now. You heard it from me, and I said it months ago that Mark was starting to become that $1 million trader. Mark will be one of the richest people in America because he had put in all the work and he got all of the training from American Dream Trading. He's never traded before, ever. It's all right here. It's all here for you. All you guys have to do is listen, come in with that empty cup, and apply the knowledge you're getting every day. That's it. I'm telling you. That's it. So this is why I keep highlighting Mark, is because I have seen it, the whole thing, all the way around. We saw it with GC. We saw it with Palm. We've seen it with so many people. And now it is Mark's turn. So as much as he wants me to shine the light on everybody, it is Mark's turn. Right? Everybody's getting that turn. David had his turn. David's, $500,000 closing in on. Everybody's getting their turn. This is Mark's time to shine. He is absolutely crushing it. He has now, if he keeps this up, Mark will be one of the greatest traders the world has ever seen. Right now, he is already up there. The people you guys keep seeing on YouTube and all, I'm the greatest trader. Nope. These are our moderators that got trained here. I hope you understand that. I didn't pluck Mark from some other community, or Mark was like some 30-year trader that I'm like, come, we want to make it look like we have a lot going on. No. They're all being trained right here. They all got it right here, right where all of you are sitting. Right now, you guys have front row seats. Drink it in. Absorb it. It's here. It's nowhere. It's right here. Oh, I'm going to tune into somebody else. It's right here. You've seen more people do it here than anywhere else on earth ever. Am I right or wrong with that?
You're right, and Mark deserves it too because he's a great guy, and he's asked all the questions. I sit in this class every day and listen, and I know he was one time asking all the questions.
That's right. And he's been here 100%. Never gave up. Always stay in the course. Never gave in. Always working his butt off. That's why I'm so freaking happy and proud of what he is doing. And that is why I'm going to shine a light on it every day. And I know he doesn't like it, and some of you guys hate it when I do it. Like, oh, what about these people? I don't care. I think it's amazing. Everybody's going to get, hopefully, because everybody in this room knows you got two choices in this world with everything you want to do. You can quit and fail or stay and succeed. That's it. You have to pick. You have to choose. There's no gray area. Well, I'm going to goof around with this until I fail and then I leave. Really? until you're serious and laser focused. And this is it. This is the plan A, B, C, and D, right? This is my plan and my backup plan and the plan that I have behind that plan. And this is the freaking plan. And this is what I want, and laser focus. And this is all I'm going to do. This is who I am, and this is my life. And until you can change your mind, you can't change your life. So until you get there, until you're like, oh, I'm ready to actually listen today. Oh, I'm not going to go rogue. Oh, there are rules that coach says every day, and he keeps preaching to me and telling me, and every day he says the same thing. And well, why am I not listening? Because you're not really laser focused yet. And until you get there, you will not be as successful as you can be. So I need you guys, get your head in the game. Start paying attention. You don't need to wait 2 years from now to be like, hey, these rules are in place. He says it every day. He used to sit here 16 hours a day and say these rules, and here we are, and all the things, and the teachings, and the trainings. I say it every day. You guys get it every day, right? Every day. Some of you,
Coach,
some of you that are
outside of
VIP Gold, you get it 12 hours a day. For God's sakes, people, it's here. It's right here. It's all here. Focus. Get your heads out of your butts. Focus on what you need to do. Follow the rules. Risk management. Stop giving up on yourselves. We're here every day. Love your faces. I missed you guys, by the way. Appreciate you. Had to make me get up on this podium and go crazy. You guys had to let the old man go, didn't you?
We missed you too, Coach.
You had to let the old
Coach,
man go.
outside of him being a Browns fan, he has done spectacular, and he shares every bit of knowledge that he can.
He does.
And this couldn't happen to a better guy.
Absolutely. Yeah, he's amazing, right? Him and GC and Palm and everybody that's why I love it so much. When the people that are doing the most become successful, to me, that is everything, right? Not just somebody that just popped up. Hey, I've been here 3 weeks and now I'm a millionaire. Thanks, coach. And then we never see him again. The grinders, the people that have been here day in and day out and doing the things and working their asses off and giving back to the community and right, being moderators and helping other people, and which in turn keeps them laser focused, and then they make more money and all the things. And Spy, by the way, this whole time has bounced off that 5. I'm sure you guys have seen it, but 572 bounced. I told you not to do anything above the 21. Dawn, you guys talked about it on the aftermarket show. I do call it the backbone. I never stay in anything once it breaks the 21. You know that. You guys talked about it. That was genius. You guys are right. We say it every day. We do the things. It's here every day. All you guys got to do is listen. Love your faces. You like that? Little pause for the cause. You bet your ass.
Take a breath, Coach.
Thank you. Good job.
Wait,
but
can you
see,
say that again? I wasn't
the,
listening.
I did catch the aftermarket. See, I can't catch them all, right? It's like Pokemon. I can't catch them all, but I try. I try to listen and tune in and do the things. And I was sick as shit and had a lot of downtime. So, I was watching everybody and
I knew it.
Well, then in that case, I'm really sorry.
I bet he's watching this.
It was a great day to catch up. I always try to catch up. DJ, go ahead.
Yeah, Coach, I think I kind of got out too early, but I also didn't want greed to creep in.
Yep.
So I got out of SPY early. I made a good amount of money off of it, but I just didn't want, I don't know, did I do it right?
Listen, if it's a green trade, you did it right anyways. And if it was a bad trade, you might have did it right anyways. There is no good, there is no bad. It's how you handled the trade, what your risk management was. Did you stick to your plan? Did it go the way that it was supposed to? Did you get out when you should have? Listen, green and red trades, profit or non-profit, they can all be good. As long as you stuck to your rules, your risk management, your strategy. Not every trade is going to go your way, ladies and gentlemen. You will always leave money on the table. Always. You can never guess bottom. You'll never know what top was. You'll never know when the last cent could be squeezed from it. None of that shit matters.
So the point
strategy.
I'm trying to make is some people, and there are people out there that'll hang on and
Forever.
be greedy.
Yep.
Right.
Forever.
And now,
Yep.
look what it's done now.
That's right. Yeah, and that's that whole greed and fear, right? Now, everybody in this room, though, if you guys were scalpers, everybody in this room knows If that breaks above the 21, I'm out because that's my backbone, right? I don't want to be anywhere near, because think about it. It was following the 9. We talked about it earlier. It was following the 9, following the 9, following the. What did I say earlier? I said for the first time right here, I said it touched the 21, right? Caution, yellow flag starts to go up. Right here, it broke through the 21. I'm out. Out. Right? And what do you know? What is the level where Coach was telling us all to shed? 574.70. Remember that major key level that was there earlier? Well, guess what? Look at where it finally came through on this 21. Everybody see it right in here? You see how all these start to make sense? And, oh, Coach, you got out a little early. Well, I didn't say to get all the way out. I said to shed. And then I said to add when it breaks below 573.74, you can add again. And everybody should add it again. And then when it started to come back the upside, make sure you guys are collecting. Make sure you guys are shedding. And if it breaks to 21, I'm out. And that's it. That's all. Thank you for playing. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Now we're on the 55. Now we're hugging the 55. But anyways, everybody knows the rules. Everybody knows when to do what. Some of you are going to listen, and a lot of you will not. Am I right? There's going to be so many of you that'll just do your own thing, not listen at all, and wonder why you're not getting any better, right? You guys do realize you pay me for a reason, not just to listen to my stupid jokes. You guys pay me for a reason to help you navigate this market, to figure out what some good strategies possibly are, to figure out when you could make money and when you might not make money, right? I'm not the one over there clicking the buttons for you. I'm just giving you the ideas of different areas and things you can look out for. And, well, what does that mean? And what's the overall market? And what's coming?
The person you are trying to reach is unavailable.
All right.
Leave your message at the tone.
And what happens when different leaders come in and the way that they're going to respond to crypto markets, and what's that going to do for the markets, and AI and robotics and these cars and autonomous driving and technology and AR and VR.
Coach, I can tell you the difference between listening and not listening.
Yes.
The difference between not listening is, like I said a while ago, I don't think I ever had more than 2 days green in a row in
Right.
2.5 years.
Right.
Shame on me, right?
Yes, that's
But
crazy.
when I decided to start listening and being more patient, I am 10 days in a row green now.
Yeah, which is phenomenal. That's
I mean,
beautiful.
they're not big wins,
Yeah.
but I'm still green. And but now I feel like I've really got something to build off of, and
That's good.
eventually get back up to the VIPs and gold statuses and
That's
all that
right.
stuff. It was weird not being able to see the Apple chat this morning.
Yeah, and that
Yeah,
should sting a
so-
little bit. Yeah, I want you to focus on it. It should be something you guys are working for. I want you guys, as soon as you start stringing those wins together, this is the other thing that everybody in this room needs to understand. So when I'm saying these small position sizes, that's to protect you from blowing your accounts, right? That is going to help protect you blowing up your accounts. And here's what I want you to understand. That's the biggest thing ever, is that if you guys are stringing together small wins, your account will grow massively over time. 2 reasons for that. The biggest reason is because you're not losing money anymore, right? When you guys were just losing money constantly, your account gets wiped out real fast. If you have small, consistent gains, because you're not losing the money, your account will look like it's growing exponentially. And over time, it will start to snowball. And then you can increase position sizes, which gets you more money and so on and so forth. But I want you guys to think about it. If you had 3 red months in a row and you looked at your account versus 3 months in a row where you're trading flat or barely making any money, I guarantee you're going to look at trading differently and be like, oh my gosh, I can actually do this. Where the 3 months before, you're like, this isn't for me. This is terrible. I don't know what I'm doing. Why are the things and doing the stuff? And I click and then it goes my way every time. And I'm going to add here when I'm losing. Coach doesn't say that, but you know what? I'm going to make it back right now. I'm going to double down on this one. Oh, that wasn't a good trade, but this one, well, oh, shit, it did it again. Wait a minute, I'm going against the trend, but that's okay. It looks like it's going to bounce, and then, oh, damn it, and then...
Got cameras in my house.
Stop it. Just stop. Small position sizes. Wait for A-plus trade setups. Listen to the sound of my voice. Stop being a clown. How's that? Stop clowning. Stop it. All of you. I know I don't get to sell anything. Yeah. I know, listen, I know I don't get to sell any products when I'm preaching at you and I'm, getting up on you. I don't make any money the days, by the way, where I'm when I'm coaching. If you guys know, I don't make any money on coaching days at all. And I'm not stupid. I'm not, dumb to that. I know the days when I do this, I make no money at all. None. When I'm not sales, marketing, kumbaya, we're making $1 bazillion today, no money will come in here at all. I don't give a shit. You want to know why? Because I'm a real freaking coach. I will tell you what you need when you need it. That is my job. I don't give a shit. I'll make money tomorrow. I'll market as tomorrow. But today, ass whooping day. Make that money. Stop being a little mute. Thank you. Gilly, go ahead. You got your hand up. Did you guys miss me?
Hey, real quick, Fruitopia girl over on TikTok wants to know if you utilize AI.
No. Nope, I don't. This is 33 years of trading, Fruitopia. Thank you for being here, by the way. I have seen some of your comments over there. Do you know what stance on that? No, I don't use any bots, no AI, none of that. Nope. Appreciate you, though. Great questions. Nice. Now, we use AI for strategies and marketing and things like that for internal business structure, but for trading, no, not at all. It's not to the point where you can use it yet. Not at all. If it was, we'd look at it. But anyways, missed your guys' face. I know it's getting late in the day. I'm feeling a little rough. I might break out of here in just a moment. Stomach's a little janky, but I don't care. It could be this Diet Dew. I've taken like 2 sips of it, and it's just wrecking my soul. Appreciate you guys being here. Love your faces. Did anybody make any money today? Let the world know.
Hell yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
did.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, it did.
Thank you. Mercedes, you better not have. Mercedes says, wreck my account. Mercedes, you better stop that. None of that.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
So, Coach, may I add one last counsel that adds to what you just went through?
Yes.
People making mistakes.
Absolutely.
And it's this: when the market is going down, please do not dollar cost average in it down.
That's right.
That is a common mistake I've seen so many times.
That's right. Good point. What's my rule on dollar cost averaging, gang? When's the only time you guys can add in?
Negative 5, 10, or 15%.
Well, that's long-term investing. Yes, when it's going your way. But yeah, good call. That's long-term investments. But what I'm talking about is, day trading, you are only ever allowed to add in if it's going your way, not dollar cost losers, right? That's the fastest way to multiply losses, is continuing to add fuel to the fire when it's already burning your feet. Stop doing dumb stuff like that. If it doesn't come out of my mouth, it should not be happening on your mouse, right? Put that on the bowling bag. If it doesn't come out of the coach's mouth, why am I doing that with my mouse? Am I right? Stop doing that stuff. I told you guys today was SPY. I said I would not be buying longs today, at least not now. It was my exact words, was at least not now, because at some point it could reverse, because you're going against the trend. I don't care if it's bottom and, oh, well, coach, look at, but it moved $3. I don't give a shit. We already made an $8 move to the downside. Why am I trying to force this thing to make a $2 or $3 move to the upside until it is time, right? You made $8 on that move, by the way. You went from 578 breakout to 572.25. That's almost $8 on your A+ setup. Hell, if you were still sitting in the damn thing, you'd still be up right now, even though it's doing all this, right?
Hey, Coach, is there some kind of a meeting or something today? Somebody talking?
Are you talking about your AA meeting or something else?
Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, damn it, I forgot.
There's a Fed speaker at 2:20 today.
Okay. Because I got a notification that due to the potential high volatility,
Oh,
the
boy.
futures trades the intraday
boy.
prices won't be cheaper. So
Everybody
that's all
be
that.
cool. Everybody be
Sorry.
cool. Christina.
I'm gonna go to my meeting now.
Yeah, everybody be
Sorry.
cool. Christina's like my little sister before you're like, he's picking on people for
Yeah,
being
he's so
alcoholics.
mean.
Stop. Stops. Don't come for me with your pitchforks. Just point them back at yourself. I don't need that garbage in my life. Love
What's
your
wrong with
faces.
AA?
Love your faces. Listen, I'm going to take off. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you guys for letting me hang out with you today. I know I got up on my soapbox and whatever, man. Missed your faces. Sometimes, sometimes we need it. So thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, and Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Government Cheese, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Ed, Nick, Gilly, Diesel, Dan. Appreciate all of you for being here. You guys are amazing. There goes Spy riding the 55. If that breaks back down below the 574.70, hold. Nope, this is the channel. I'd wait till the break is 574 to the downside before I'd look at this. But if it does, that's the channel. And I'd be right back in it to the downside. Watching for support at 573.74, but I could add below 574. 574. I'm going to mark it right here now. That's what you want to wait. Break and hold at 574. Then you'd be looking for a gap down, back down, 572. Love your face. I hope you guys all have amazing dad. No, I did appreciate everybody being here. Thank you to all my military family and all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Wah, wah.
Thank you, Christina. That's one hell of a truck horn you got on you.
Thank you so much. More like a clown horn, huh?
She said, burn. She said, burn, burn.
Get out the way.
All right, I'm
Hey, it
out.
was something, right? It was better than what anybody else did. See? Got it.
You see?
Thank you, Coach.
Huh?
See?
You
You
see?
see?
You
Yeah,
see?
that's right.
All right, I'm going to kill all these lives, and then I'm going to let you know